Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here and you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing to this channel. So I hope you're doing good. As of me, I'm doing very good. So this is just a random video that I thought I should do right now because I was feeding my chickens. So I thought I should do this video right now. There are people who have been requesting me to see my chicken progress, and here I am. I'm doing this video for you today. I usually tell you, if you have anything, you can ask me and I will reply, and I will do a video if I have to do a video to make you understand. So I'm so happy because like for the past 3 days, two of my chickens have started laying. Three of them have started laying, and today morning when I came to feed them, I just found an egg here, and I wanted to show you and also to motivate someone who's out there doing anything. It should not be only chicken that you are doing. Maybe there are other projects that you are doing and you're feeling that they are not yet paying. Keep pushing, keep moving forward. One day you will be rewarded. Like when I started this project, I started with 50 chicks because that is the amount I could be able to raise without any difficulty. Because raising chicken is not something that is very easy. It is not easy. There are so many diseases, and if you're not careful, you're going to be having a lot of mortality. When I say mortality, I mean a lot of death. You'll be waking up in the morning, you find like 5 chicks are dead, and you can do nothing about it. That is a loss. And sometimes you'll even make huge losses, but you have to keep pushing. So let me show you the egg that I found today before we move on. So you can see right there, that is the egg. It is dirty because I had not yet built the laying boxes, but tomorrow my husband is going to build the laying boxes. These are my chicken. Right now they are grown, and for those who started this channel with me, or if you can go previously and watch my videos, I started these chicks when they were 1 day old. Yeah, they were that small. They were 50. I've only had mortality of 3, and I've sold 5 jogos, and I still have like 5 other jogos, which I'm planning to sell 2 and remain with 3, because like right now I have 30 they're called what, 30 layers, and those layers I only need 3 jogos because 1 jogo can serve 7 to 10, so I just need 3 of them. You can see how they feed. I have 4 feeders, so I know that those are enough. You can see they're not that squeezing, and they have two chicken drinkers. Yeah, and also we expanded this house. You can see this mabati thing is that when you put that mabati that you put on that jiko, so that it can make the chicks to have that heat. Yeah, you can see we expanded the house, and we also added our ventilation, because ventilation is one major thing that can make your birds to die. Yeah, you see how they're feeding. Yeah, they're not squeezing because I have 4 feeders. Let me move backwards to the door so that I can show you. I have 4 feeders. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and they have a lot of space. So we have not yet decided which side we are going to be building the laying boxes, but we are going to decide because we have to build the laying boxes. So that is our chicken house. You can see that jogo. Yeah, so I'm planning to sell them. I was selling 1 for 800. I've already sold 5 of them. Yeah, so let's get back. I continue. It doesn't matter which project you are pushing. Keep pushing it. One day it will be enough. Like right now you can see I have 30 layers, and imagine only three are laying. So they are not making any profits and they can't buy food for themselves, but I'm still continuing to push until all of them is satisfied. So that project that you are doing, my chickens shook the camera, I'm sorry. So that project that you are doing, keep pushing. It should not only be chicken, like this chicken, to lay them from day one up to where they are right now. I can tell you they have used like 45,000 plus. It is not easy. It is not that easy. That is why I started with 50 of them, because I saw 50 of them I can manage without any struggle. And here we are. 3 of them are started laying, so I know by the time like we reach the 15 there, at least a good number like 10 will be laying. That's what I'm hoping for. I just hope everything goes well, because we are supposed to hope for the best, right? So that is it. So today I just feel like I have the energy to do content, so I'm going to be doing a lot of content today. This day I want to dedicate it to content creation. So these are my chicken's progress for those who are asking me. And also if you want me to be explaining to you how to raise, on next year I'm planning to bring another, but I will bring 100 chicks. So maybe I can start teaching you from the one how to take care of these chicks, so that you can have the smallest mortality number ever. Because you can imagine for 50 chickens they have only died 3, and 1 died the day they arrived here. So I've only had a mortality of 2, because 1 died that night, because I took them in the evening, and that night when I woke up, so it had issues from when it was hatched. So that one died the day it arrived here. So I can say like I've had a mortality of only 2 birds. 2 birds since I started laying them. I started poultry farming, and I'm so excited, and I can help someone without there who wants me to start a chicken project. If you have any question about chicken project, feel free to comment down below. Ask me any question. Also on my profile I've shared my WhatsApp number and my email account, so you can feel free to contact me. I also asked you to ask me questions that you want me to answer when I reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. I'm remaining like 20 subscribers to reach there. So keep your questions coming, and also comment down below. Tell me your thoughts. I'll be so excited to know how you're also doing, because it has been really a long time, and I'm so excited that you always keep checking on my channel and keep watching my videos. So if you have not subscribed, I'm reminding you, please, before you leave this video, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. This channel we share anything freely. No, hakuna wivu kwa channel. If you ask any question, and we are here to help one another. Maybe if you know what I can do to make these other layers that are not laying to lay, you can also comment down below, because life is a learning process. You learn from me today, tomorrow I learn from you, because nobody knows everything. Even the person who has learned more, you see them reading books because they just want to get knowledge and knowledge and knowledge. Because life is a continuous process, and it is a learning process. You just learn every day. So me, I'm always free to anybody who just wants to tell me something and that thing is helpful. I'm always free to learn from it. So subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share to your family and friends if you can. Also let them come and learn, come and motivate one another, come and also enjoy, because the moment you watch someone doing something, it also acts as an eye-opener. Because like when I was starting my chicken project, I started this project because my husband's cousin had this project, and when I went to visit them, and I I asked my cousin, is chicken farming a profitable business? And he explained everything to me. He told me, and because I had the skills of doing chicken farming, because my mother usually does poultry farming, but she had reached a point and had given up. So I asked her, and I know how to raise chicken. So she told me it is a profitable business. She explained everything to me, and I started it in January. And right now, at least I can see that all the efforts have been putting in here with this book. At least I can see something that I can say I'm so happy and I'm so excited. And I can also help someone who's out there, because kama kuna kitu mimi kusema, you know, this world is so big. Hatuwezi malizania space. Just because I've told you something, it is not going to make me make a loss. The market is so big. It is so big, even I can't feed even quarter of the market, because it is so big. Like you say, like cattle farming, like in the past every homestead used to have a cow, and the milk they used to sell milk, but there is no milk got enough. Even today people just buy milk daily, because the market is too big to satisfy it. So don't think that if you're helping someone out there, you're going to pull less of you or less of what you're doing. This space is too big for everybody, because that is why God created us. If it was only for me, He could have created me alone. But because it is too big for everybody, that is why He created each one and every one of us. He's watching this channel and He's not watching this channel. So subscribe to this channel. I hope you are doing amazing. So comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Like, I was thinking when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I can be doing a sit-down video once per week, because sometimes I talk, and when I go to look how many minutes I've talked, I'm like, huh? So I can talk. So tell me if that idea is good. I was thinking to be doing a sit-down videos of, we talk about life, we get to interact, we get to share thoughts about how we take life and our perspective about things in this life. Yeah. So just comment down below and tell me if that's a good idea, and I'm just going to implement it right away. So bye, see you on the next vlog. And a lot more has happened. We fenced our homestead, and also we brought ducks. I've not shown you, so I just want to go and do that video right away. It is coming. So stay tuned and watch the next video. Bye for now.